What's up, guys? Jason here with Garden State Koi. I'm just taking you guys along today to check out one of our midsummer visits, an option here that we have in our maintenance department. We take a look at our fountain necks like this, urns, spheres, things like that. We take deck brushes and we give them a nice scrub down just so we can get all that algae off and get those urns looking back to their perfection. So we're here at our large pond here at Villa Marie. It features, 5 beautiful Japanese koi and 2 beautiful fire spillways, and then at the top there's actually a big wetland filter that keeps this thing looking crystal clear. So on our midsummer visit, we take a look at the skimmer, we take the rack out, take the mat out, rinse all that out real good. We just check out the pump, make sure there's nothing clogged in there whatsoever so we can keep that flow consistent. We check for algae around the feature, treat accordingly for that. And then, so our potted plants that we've added earlier this year, we're gonna wanna go ahead and add some fertilizer tablets to those just to promote their growth and, keep them looking beautiful the rest of this year. So over here, we have about a 30-foot pondless waterfall with a large basin at the bottom where it has a nice little pool to it. So for a feature like this, we usually just take a brush, we'll stir it up, get all that gunk off the rocks, get them looking for steam, and then we'll go ahead and also add some algae to it just to keep that algae away, more of a preventative. And then we'll also, go around the feature, pull any weeds that are around it, really keep it in that tip-top shape.